With PDMPublisher, you can enrich your PDFs using live data from external systems, including SQL databases. In this example, we're working inside the Annotations tab. At the bottom, there's an annotation labeled Material. Within it, you'll see a yellow placeholder. This is where the magic happens. To add a SQL data source, just click the Placeholder drop-down, go to the SQL section, and choose whether you want to pull values based on the part, assembly, drawing, or file name. Once added, click the Edit button beside the placeholder. Here, you can define your SQL connection string and write your query. Make sure to keep the placeholder token in the query. Before saving, you can easily test your query. In this case, we're passing the assembly name and retrieving the value steal from our external database. Once everything looks good, we run the export. And just like that, the material field at the bottom of the PDF is dynamically filled with our metadata coming straight from our SQL source. This is just one way PDMPublisher connects your engineering workflows with external data in real time. To learn more, visit PDMPublisher.com.